Hello everyone, so this is the hair tool that I bought from Alibaba.com, and let's watch the ad together, how you can assemble it and use it on your hair. So this is the result I've achieved with this hair tool, and I think it's really magical because you don't really have to use heat for it. And let's get right into using it and how we're going to use it on our hair. So this is the pink hook that you have to attach together, just like what they've shown us on the advertisement. Okay, so first off, what we're going to do is we're going to section our hair just to make it more easy on us. So you can pick up some hair from the top and tie them up and use a spray, which is just a normal water spray, and attach that pink hook to your hair. So basically what you have to do is you have to pull that pink hook stick out from that yellow tool, and you're gonna get your curl, and you can continue to do so. I'm just gonna do it on the middle hair so it's easier for you guys to see. So I'm just gonna fast forward it from this point onwards because it's pretty much the same thing. So you just have to keep on doing it until you fully wrap your hair in these tool that they've provided you with. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the back side. So now let's work on the top part, which is pretty much the same thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide the top part into two different sections. And again, that's just to make things simpler. So if you want to just, do the whole thing, that's also okay. But since my model's hair is a little thicker, so I'm just going to divide it into two different sections. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the back side. So now let's work on the top part, which is pretty much the same thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide the top part into two different sections. And again, that's just to make things simpler. So if you want to just, do the whole thing, that's also okay. But since my model's hair is a little thicker, so I'm just going to divide it into two different sections. Okay, like so, we're almost done, and it's recommended that we keep them overnight, but I'm just gonna keep them for like 4 or 5 hours. Okay, let's start taking them off, and I'm taking it off after like 5 hours, and as you can see, it still gave me a pretty good curl. And obviously the ideal situation is if you are going to keep it overnight, so for better results. Okay, so this is what I've got. This is the finished product. I am happy with how it looks, and I think if you set your hair well, the product actually works, and it's pretty cheap and affordable. Also, one of the biggest advantages, you don't have to use any heat on your hair, which is perfect. So I think if you style your hair well, it's just gonna make it look really pretty. So I give this product a thumbs up. If you enjoyed the video, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.